Here at Acura Pickering, we have a Shield certified 2015 Acura RDX all-wheel drive. Let's take a look at some of the features inside. This vehicle comes with memory seat functions for 2 different drivers, power mirrors, locks, windows, and power seating. It has a full leather interior, along with a sunroof up top. It comfortably seats 5 passengers, and the rear seats go down for extra cargo space. This vehicle also has steering wheel audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls, as well as a rear view camera with normal, wide, and top-down views. It has XM radio, auxiliary inputs, USB ports, push-to-start engine, dual climate control, heated seating, and many more great features.